my Ord Valley Muster demonstration. My barramundi is, I can smell it right now, it smells delicious. All the ingredients are on trays, and yeah, not far until I'm on stage cooking up a storm, but check this out. So, this is what I'm going to teach everyone to make. Salt crusted barramundi, so that's the barra we caught. It's crusted with salt, it's got native lemongrass in there, a whole bunch of lemon and garlic, so really simple, and it's a foolproof recipe that people can do at home, which is really great. And this is what it looks like when you're trying to put the food together for a demonstration. Lots of trays, lots of mess, and fingers crossed everything's there, otherwise I'll just wing it. This is the barramundi I caught. Mark's barramundi's in the oven, and Kev's barramundi is too big to fit anywhere, so it's been filleted.
Just like that shoulder.
Happy days, let's go. So this is the Ord Valley Muster. My favourite event of the year. I mean, it's been unbelievable. The produce here, the people here, and the backdrop in the Kimberley is just like breathtaking. So yeah, this festival is going to be awesome. Great food, good people, a couple of good demonstrations, and we're on.
And how are you feeling?
Feeling good, feeling good. A little nervous, pretty excited to get up there. Let's go. Oh, this is my music. I love it. How are we all? It's a salt-crusted barramundi, so it's a foolproof way to cook a whole fish. It's really idiot-proof, which means I can do it on stage. And that's all going to come together, and I'm going to crack this fish open. But we're fishing for barramundi, and we caught multiple, awesome. It was so much fun, everyone was so lovely. The food was delicious. I had so much fun, and I think we need more barramundi because there was a lot of people there and they all looked like they were drilling it in, and so job done.